one of the questions I get a lot of the time is, should I date during my divorce? Truthfully, the answer is no. Is there going to be a huge legal consequence to you doing so? No. But what ends up happening is it adds a level of emotional irregularity to the divorce case that I prefer to not have to deal with. The other spouse will find out, they'll look at your credit card statements, they'll see that you maybe went on a vacation or you went out to dinner with this person, and then that becomes all we can talk about. So preferably no one dates during a divorce. An interesting fact is that infidelity is still technically a crime in Massachusetts, but frankly the courts don't care if you're in a relationship. They don't care if your divorce ended in infidelity. All they care about is, did you spend money on this person? They will also care if you introduce your children to this person, especially if you're still living in the same home with your spouse at the time. The rule of thumb is generally you shouldn't introduce children to a third-party romantic partner until you've at least been dating them for 6 months and you've been separated for 6 months, because it's confusing to your kids and you don't want to put them in a position where they feel like they can't tell the other parent something. You know, that's not fair to them. So ideally, you won't date during a divorce. If you do, don't pay for your dinners on credit cards, please.